Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about duplicating WordPress pages or posts. The best way to duplicate pages and posts is to use a plugin called Duplicate Post. After installing and activating the plugin, return to your pages or posts depending on what you want to duplicate. Simply hover over the name of the page or post with your mouse and you'll see two new options, Clone and New Draft. For duplicating, use the Clone option and a copy of your page will appear below. Click on Edit and modify the page as you wish. Once you're done, preview the page, and if you're happy with it, click on Publish. Alternatively, you can use the New Draft option below the page or post you want to duplicate. Clicking on this option will immediately open the editor for the new page or post. When you're done working on the page or post, click on Publish. And that's all there is to creating duplicate pages or posts. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information about this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.